we were supposed to be going to Gadsby, and we're going for passports for her mum and dad. I think his sister, mum's sister, and Kelly, because they're going to Holland to see their sister and, well, mum's daughter, obviously. But it's got to be a family affair. Everybody's going. Oh, Chalk's going, and so's Manet as well. I forgot. They need a passport. And it's been a fun ride because Ma didn't have a birth certificate. Pa didn't have a birth certificate. She doesn't have a birth certificate. And it's took a long time to get to this point. And I guarantee you, when we get to Gadsby, somebody hasn't got something. What? Huh? I can't hear you. I'm doing a video. I'll see you in a minute, okay? So I was supposed to be driving the van, but now they've changed the people who's supplying the van. Because the first van, it had to be done under contract. This van doesn't, because it's family, and it's a little bit cheaper than the first van. But I've told them that the fuel alone is going to cost at least 1,000. But Mel's sister from Holland sent the money to hire the van because she doesn't want her mum walking too far or being stressed out by commuting. So it should have been here at 8 o'clock, and now it's 9 something, so it's Filipino time. And I've told Mel when we get there the place will be packed. It will take hours for all of these to get to the right people and get sorted out. But the passports, when they're sorted, get sent by post. They don't give them out on the same day. I don't need my watch. Mind you, I could get my watch, couldn't I? Yeah. Are you going to get it? There you go. We found the keys to the door before we had to shove the kids through the window. It's either in that plastic thing or it's in, you know, that new, what's the name? Whatever. So we'll see you in a moment, guys. Well, 9:20, guys. We're still waiting for the van. And I said to Mel that the car or van we were going to hire was practically brand new. And obviously aircon and comfortable. I can't wait to see what turns up. And Mel was getting stressed this morning because it was nearly 8 o'clock. She'd got up at 6 and trying to prepare stuff and what have you. And then I got up about 7 and she was stressed out of her head. You see, this wouldn't happen if Mel wasn't going to sort these passports out. None of these lot would be going, because she used to be a medical secretary. She's not, you know, she's switched on with everything that's happening. She never fails to surprise me. And that's another thing, guys, you know, if you ever come to Naga, we can help you out. We can help you find somewhere. We can help you with immigration and stuff. No charge. Our time doesn't cost anything. Right, it's nearly 10:05. He should have been here at 8 o'clock. And I said to Mal, when we ordered the other car, it was like 2 years old. Beautiful, lovely aircon. And to save 500 pesos, this is what's turned up. That. So, I'm gonna get the car.
My mom said he wants to ride there because my mom, she can't able to bring the car. Just only her. Tuwa, and then Princess will go.
Well, what's the point? I was doing it for your ma and pa so they're comfortable.
My mom said, hey, what's up? What's up?
Okay. Mel's mum's scared of the elevator to go upstairs. She's here, look, bless her. She's recovered from the stroke, but she's not fully recovered. I don't think anybody does. It's on the next floor, isn't it, Mel? It's on the top floor, the next floor. I need a drink of water. I'm parched. I'm changing my diet. I'm going on a what is it? Camarines? I'm not saying that right. I'm going on a just eating protein diet. This is what Ma doesn't like, look. It's nice and cool.
I will tell.
Oh, bless her. It's worse since she's had the stroke because she's not good on her pins. The kids love it though, as usual. But yeah, get away from that, please. Get away from there, thank you. Is it on this floor, the top floor? I think it's on that one. Are you going on that one? I thought we were going on the other one. Oh dear. Mel's got it, so I've got to talk in a low tone with my kids to get them to stop doing stuff. Because if I talk how Mel talks, they don't listen. She pushed a trike onto the road last night, messing with it. Then she's knocked the water off and smashed the tap on the water that we were bringing. Then she's leaned against the wall with her clean clothes, and now she's got a dirty back. She just doesn't stop. But I wouldn't change anything. Oh, they're all here now, look. We beat them. So we got 2 successes. It looks like it wasn't recorded before. It's not been recorded. It is now, it wasn't before, and it's just said file repaired. Well, if it's done anything to the card, then the last video I did, which was what? The last
When you come in.
No, the last video we just did.
No, but it's paid.
Huh?
No.
No, we did something after that. Anyway, it looks like the camera's not been recording. So just to fill you all in, we've got Ma and Pa fails, Kelly fails, and Dua and Manet, Mel's sister and brother, theirs is okay. So that's it. We just got to wait for them, then we're off home. It's got pretty busy again, as you can see in there. Welcome to the Philippines. So I think I'll be leaving it here, but maybe not, in case we do a little bit of something after it. But all there is to do is have something to eat. They brought something to eat, something to drink, and I think then we'll be off home. So it's over to my baby.
Please hit the like button. Please subscribe and share our video.
Bye. And if you like these videos and you want to support us like one-off, there's a super thanks on the bottom of every video. So until the next time, bye bye. Hi everybody, we're pretty excited. YouTube has given us super thanks.
Yeah.
So now, when you're watching a video, it doesn't have to be a live video. You go down to the bottom of the video and click on the thanks and the heart, then you can send us a coffee. We'll very much appreciate
Our
it.
pizza, chocolate.
If you want to support our channel, or you're just really pleased with the video you just watched, you can send us a copy. We'll really appreciate it.
Yeah.
If not, just continue to support us, watch your videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye!
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.